Theta value equivalent to $1.0679 a coin. The present reach: $1.0599, $1.0915. The earlier day close: $1.0911. The change was 0.0232, 2.13%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $1.01. Most extreme cost $1.42, least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.15. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.16, change for December 14.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with, cost at $1.16. Greatest cost $1.37, least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.20. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.25, change for January 7.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.25. Greatest cost $1.55, least cost $1.25. The normal for the month $1.38. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.45, change for February 16.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. Before all else cost at $1.45. Most extreme cost $1.73, least cost $1.45. The normal for the month $1.56. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.62, change for spring 11.7%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $1.62. Greatest cost $1.82, least cost $1.58. The normal for the month $1.68. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.70, change for April 4.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with, cost at $1.70. Greatest cost $1.70, least cost $1.33. The normal for the month $1.54. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.43, change for May 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $1.43. Most extreme cost $1.64, least cost $1.42. The normal for the month $1.51. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.53, change for June 7.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else cost at $1.53. Most extreme cost $1.53, least cost $1.25. The normal for the month $1.41. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.34, change for July 12.4%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $1.34. Greatest cost $1.34, least cost $1.05. The normal for the month $1.22. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.13, change for August 15.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with, cost at $1.13. Greatest cost $1.14, least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.09. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.07, change for September 5.3%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $1.07. Most extreme cost $1.07, least cost 92 cents. The normal for the month $1.01. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 99 cents, change for October 7.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.99. Most extreme cost $1.16, least cost 99 cents. The normal for the month $1.06. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.08, change for November 9.1%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. To start with, cost at $1.08. Greatest cost $1.34, least cost $1.08. The normal for the month $1.19. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.25, change for December 15.7%. Theta cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.51. Greatest cost 51 cents, least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 49 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 48 cents, change for February 5.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else, cost at $0.48. Most extreme cost 60 cents, least cost 48 cents. The normal for the month 53 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 56 cents, change for spring 16.7%. Theta cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset, cost at $0.56. Most extreme cost 56 cents, least cost 44 cents. The normal for the month 51 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 47 cents, change for April 16.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with, cost at $0.47. Greatest cost 55 cents, least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 51 cents, change for May 8.5%. Theta cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at $0.51. Greatest cost 51 cents, least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 47 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 45 cents, change for June 11.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else, cost at $0.45. Most extreme cost 47 cents, least cost 41 cents. The normal for the month 44 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 44 cents, change for July 2.2%. Theta cost expectation for August 2026. Initially cost at $0.44. Most extreme cost 46 cents, least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 43 cents, change for August 2.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. To start with, cost at $0.43. Greatest cost 54 cents, least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 50 cents, change for September 16.3%. Theta cost expectation for October 2026. First and foremost, cost at $0.50. Greatest cost 62 cents, least cost 50 cents. The normal for the month 55 cents.